Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome back to your English class. Today we are going to start with the literature class 5 from Raintree English course book. Lesson 10 Smriti at the Wicket. In this chapter you'll come to know how different people helped and inspired Smriti to become a good and successful cricketer. Smriti Mandhana had to work hard to fulfill her dream of becoming a successful professional cricketer. So let's get started. The story starts when father was sitting in the living room and reading the newspaper. Have you read this? Father called out excitedly. He was reading the newspaper. Smriti Mandhana's made a record. She is the only Indian to be selected for the ICC Women's Team of the Year. The ICC has a Women's Team of the Year, asked mother, coming into the room. Father was very excited to read the news about Smriti Mandhana. This is the first year they have announced the team, said father. His eyes still on the paper. 2016 is certainly a good year for Smriti. First the WBBL and now this. Father looked really impressed by the news. So Kabir was curious to know more. What is the ICC and what's the WBBL? He asked. Listening the news from his father, Kabir was also very excited to know about ICC and WBBL. Now come to page number 114. ICC is the International Cricket Council, explained mother sitting down beside Kabir, and WBBL is the Women's Big Blast League. It's the Australian Domestic 2020 competition. Domestic 2020 means the match where each team plays for a maximum of 20 overs. Smriti's been selected to play for a team called Brisbane Heat. The only other Indian cricketer chosen for the WBBL this year was Punjabi cricketer Harmanpreet Kaur to play for Sydney Thunder. Mother explained Kabir that Smriti has been selected to play for a team called Brisbane Heat, and the only other Indian cricketer chosen for WBBL was Punjabi cricketer Harmanpreet Kaur to play for Sydney Thunder. I have watched Smriti's game, said father, holding the newspaper. She deserved this success. So what's about this Super ICC team? Asked mother. The women's team of the year is made up of the best women's cricketer of the last year, said father. So it is the way to recognize and appreciate the best performances of the women cricketers from all over the world in the last 12 months. For the 2016 team, cricketers have been chosen from countries like New Zealand, West Indies and England, explained father. And Smriti is the only Indian cricketer to be included. That's a great honor, said mother. She is the only 20 years old after all. Father told them that this year 4 countries represented in the ICC women's team of 2016. Now come to page number 115. I knew she would go places. Go places means be successful. When I watched her test debut in England. Test debut means performing for the first time. 2 years ago, said father. Father said that he was knowing that she would be successful because the way she was playing in England when she was playing for the first time 2 years ago. What was so special about that match? Kabir asked. It was first time Smriti was playing a test match for India. She scored 51 runs and it helped India win the match. It was all the more special because the Indian women's team was playing a test after 8 years. I read in an interview that she prefers to be the opening bat, said mother. It helps her plan how to play. She is the right-handed but she plays left-handed because her father admires left-handed batsmen. Smriti's family is from Sangli, a town in Maharashtra. Her elder brother was also a cricketer, said father, Shravan Mandhana. He used to play for the Maharashtra under-19 team. It was he who inspired Smriti to become a cricketer. How? Asked Kabir. When Shravan was a cricketer, Smriti used to watch her brother playing. Sometimes when Shravan scored high runs, his name appeared in newspaper. Smriti used to collect those newspaper articles. She wanted to see her name too in the newspaper. She started practicing with her father. Soon her father realized that the young girl was a promising cricketer. Promising means showing sign that she can be a good cricketer. She could hit the ball well. She was not afraid to play with older players. Now come to page number 116. She was chosen for the Maharashtra under-15 state side when she was only 9 years old. Her father was too busy to help her as much as he wanted to. So he found a coach for her, Anant Tambekar. How did she find time to play so regularly? Didn't she have homework? Asked Kabir. Now, Kabir was excited to know more about Smriti. When father told that he was helping her to play and he also arranged a coach named Anant Tambekar for Smriti. You can do your homework as well as play a sport. Mother laughed. Smriti is studying for a degree in commerce. When she was younger, she used to practice in the morning before school and have net sessions in the evening after school. Net sessions means sessions for practicing cricket at a pitch surrounded by nets. With her savings, she built a cement pitch where she could practice even in the rainy season. Mother explained Kabir that how much dedicated she was for the cricket and as well she was very good in the studies too. She reminds me of Sri Lankan cricketer Kumar Sangakkara, said father. She admires Australian cricketer Matthew Hayden. She wanted to play like him at the outset. Here, outset means in the beginning. But after players have different styles, her coaches told her that her strong point is timing. Strong point means the best quality in her. She understands very well when and how she should move during a game. So she changed her game and started following Sangakkara's style. I know you admire Rahul Dravid very much, said mother. Shravan, Smriti's brother, has a bat which was autographed by Rahul Dravid. Smriti often carried it in her kit. Although she does not use it, remember her record run of 224. She made it when she was playing for the Maharashtra under-19 against the Gujarat under-90s in Vadodara. She used the autographed bat in that match. It was a really lucky bat then, exclaimed Kabir. Don't forget that she must have played really well, said father. She dreams of winning the World Cup someday. I think she will. Kabir decided that whenever Smriti played for the World Cup, he would watch the matches and cheer for her. Smriti Mandhana had a new fan. Here, Kabir was the new fan of Smriti. So this story of Smriti Mandhana teaches us if we want to achieve anything important, it is not enough to dream about it. We have to work hard for it and do our best to succeed in it.